All right, seventh graders. This is finding mean absolute deviation, otherwise known as MAD. You did this as sixth graders, so you might pick it up pretty quickly. It's really not hard. You just have to use mean and then do some subtracting and find the mean again. Basically, you're finding the mean 2 times in one problem. All right, so I've already done the work for this problem. I have added up 34, 29, 39, and 34. Hit equal, remember to outsmart your calculator, and then I divided by 4 because there are 4 numbers there, and I got a mean of 34. Now you have to write this stuff down, so I wrote down the 4 numbers, and then with the mean of 34, you've got to subtract all of the numbers from that mean. So in doing that, I just write a small number above each of the 4 numbers that they gave us here. And so when I subtract the mean of 34 from them, I get 0, 5, 5, and 0. And added those up then to find their mean. And 10 then divided by 4 equals 2.5. This next one I will use their calculator so that you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers here. When you see 2 dots, that means you have to use that number twice. Okay, so I'm going to add up 22 and 23, another 23, 25, and 27. So 5 numbers. I got to divide by 5 then after I get my sum. So divide by 5, and I get a mean of 24. Okay, so then you're going to have to write this down. So I've got to subtract these numbers from 24, or subtract 24 from them, and I'm going to write those down. So 24 minus 22 is 2. 24 minus 23 is 1, and I've got to do that twice because there are 2 23s. 25 minus 24 is 1, and 27 minus 24 is 3. So I've got 2, 1, 1, 1, and 3, and now I'm going to add those up and find their mean. So 3, 6, 8 divided by 5 numbers. Clear this. So 8 divided by 5 numbers. 8 is the sum that I got when I added up the numbers I got when I subtracted. And my MAD, my mean absolute deviation, should be 1.6. I hope I get this right or I'll be embarrassed. All right, there it is. All right, so check out the other video I also made. Good luck.